Well, I don't know about you, but I am glad September is over. Man, what a tough month we had, but we are kicking off October in style. Let's take a look and see how the stock market, the bond market, the treasuries, crypto, everyone is having a great day. So let's jump over here and first let's go into the stock market first, just real quickly, showing you that back over here to the Dow Jones is up 874, S&P's up 106, NASDAQ's up 279. Man, it's amazing how these were negatives almost all of September. So feeling pretty good about that. Even crypto's doing great here. And I'll show you in a minute how our 10-year treasury is looking. Let's go over here to the mortgage-backed security world. Up 84 basis points today. Man, that is great news. The 10-year treasury is down 15. Remember, we banged up against that 4.0, and we've been retreating back from that 4.0 ever since. So here we are showing the charts on the mortgage-backed security, breaking through a Fibonacci here and continuing to try to climb. But obviously, we've got a lot of room here that we've got to really scratch and break through in order to see us getting back down to where we were much earlier during 2022. So we'll be watching that. Now, why is this happening? I mean, everything that I'm looking into right now is basically saying that there are just people in the economic world, whether they're CEOs or other business leaders or other economists, that are starting to say that we might have seen the high watermark of the interest rates through this series, through this session we're going to go through. Now, I think it is very early to make that announcement, but that is what has been said recently, that we may now start to see some improvement to our bonds and the interest rate world. So that's what I'm hearing as to what is going on. And we're definitely seeing it on the mortgage-backed security. So how is that folding over into our interest rates? Let's take a look at the Brent Bruce daily scenario. Remember, we've been talking about 6.875, 6.99 interest rates really banging up against that 7.0 interest rate, which I had mentioned through many different videos here in the past year, that I kind of felt like we would not get above 7 on the Brent Bruce daily. And if we did, that it would be very short-lived and we would come back down quickly. So we really banged up against that 7. I don't know that I had a day that the Brent Bruce daily interest rate was actually 7. I'd have to go back and look, but we definitely came up close to it. Look where we are now, 6.5% with a little bit of a credit, $958. If we open this up here, we are able to pay about a point and get down to 6.125. So hopefully we're going to be able to start talking about being more in the 5s here in the near future. I'd love to see that. But right now, 6.5%, man, we will take that versus talking about banging up against that 7.0, which we were looking at last week. So I will definitely continue to keep you posted on what is going on. Enjoying this run right now. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share. And if you have not watched my videos talking about my projection as to when interest rates will come down and what needs to happen for interest rates to come down, I talked a little bit about that on Friday. I have a longer video on the YouTube channel that I did a few weeks ago. Take a look at that because you can follow along and see if it all plays out the way that I had described, and then you will really understand why things are happening. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know anything else that you would like to learn more about so I can put a video together on that. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share and get this information out. I will talk to you again tomorrow. Have a great day.